what you need. Hair on fleek, come see me. What you want, what you need. Your face beat, Princess Reese.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful ombre color using the RedbyKiss Tintation Mix and Match kit. So today I decided to use the Hibiscus Margarita, which includes these two vibrant colors, Hawaiian Fire and Blue Moonlight. I love that this at-home kit includes everything that you need to create a smooth process. And just to let you guys know, you can use this on your natural hair and you can use it on a wig, weave, and it also comes with developer and bleaching powder if you want to use this on your natural hair or if you want to lighten up your extensions. And of course it comes with instructions to show you step by step how to use the colors and how to ombre. I love that the kit includes a brush so that if you don't have a brush at home, it just makes it so much easier. So today I am dip dyeing this wig. So I decided to mix the colors first before adding it to my water. What stood out to me the most is that these semi-permanent hair colors includes so much more hair dye than most competitors. So it comes with 2.5 ounces in each bottle. So all in all, you get a good bang for your buck if you ask me. Now I'm mixing in the Blue Moonlight to create a vibrant purple color. So now I'm just taking my mixture and adding it to my hot water. You want to make sure that your water is extremely hot to get the color nice and saturated. Being that this is a big bowl, I did have to use a bigger brush to mix in the colors. Honestly, guys, this method is so easy to do. I love that it has aloe vera in it to reduce scalp burning and itchiness. As you can see here, I just grabbed a piece of hair from the back of the wig to just strand test to see how the color came out. I like to do this trick when dip dyeing my wigs because I want to see exactly how the color is going to come out. I did love the results of my strand test, but I wanted it to be a little bit more violet, so I added a little bit more of the Hawaiian Fire to the mixture. So you want to make sure that you mix the color all throughout the water so you don't have any patchy spots in your wig. So for the next step to easily create the ombre, I'm just taking out two sections of the wig and putting rubber bands around it. And I'm just gonna dip the wig directly into the hot water, but I do recommend wearing gloves. Now, I don't have gloves on because this does not stain your hands. So here I'm just dipping in half of the wig into the water, and you will see me like pretty much dunking the wig into the water to make sure that the color is evenly spread throughout the wig. And guys, look at how vibrant this color is. I just love how it's coming out immediately. So there is 4 other color combos that come with the Tintation Mix. There's Tequila Sunrise, Blue Hawaii, French Martini, and Stormy Morning. Look at how beautiful that color just spread evenly throughout the hair. So I did end up using another kit and taking the Hawaiian Fire from the kit and just adding that to the water to make the color a little bit more pink. And once again, you want to make sure that you stir that color in so that it's evenly distributed throughout the hair and you don't have any patchy marks. Now for the moment that you guys been waiting for, I took the bands out and I just dipped the ends of the wig to create the ombre effect, which is super easy. I honestly truly love this method because it just makes coloring at home such a smooth process. And now we're dipping the top and we're just going to dip the entire wig and just let it sit in there for a little while. So before I wash out the wig, I like to place the wig on my mannequin head and just brush through the hair to make sure that there aren't any blotchy spots. So what I did was take the remainder of my mixture, I added some water to it, used the brush, and I just went over the different spots that I felt like could be a little bit more vibrant with the color. I don't know, something about this color gives me unicorn vibes, which is just so cute and girly. I think the best part about this kit is that you never really know what color you're gonna come out with, but it's just such a fun kit to use. I also use the comb side to just comb throughout the hair to make sure the color is just nice and distributed. Now this is how the hair looks when it's dried. I'm just blow drying it here on my wig head, and I was just so excited during this process. Now I'm just flat ironing the hair so I can style it. So now the hair is completely straightened, and guys, look at that beautiful ombre. This kit is really the truth. And I just added some hair serum all throughout the wig to make sure that the hair is nice and shiny. So before installing the wig, I just added some hairspray and I added some nice bouncy curls. I like to style the wig on the wig head so that I can get the perfect curl throughout the entire wig. So I'm just curling the hair in very small sections and using pins to keep the curls nice and tight. So I'm not a professional at installing wigs, so I did a glueless method with this wig. And now I'm just taking out the pins and deciding how I want to style the hair. So I definitely wanted this side part look, and it just looks so beautiful. I love this color so much. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this hair color was inspired by my nails. So my nails does have this like purple and blue fuchsia ombre at the tips. And as you guys can see, I was actually really impressed by how this color came out. It was so pretty. So this is the final look, and I just added a little bit more serum to just take away some of the frizziness from the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The RedbyKiss Tintation Mix and Match 4-in-1 kit. Information will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Princess Princess